So there's these like 2 clips down here that you need to like unhook these sides just so you can pull at it. And it looks a little awkward when you're pulling on it. That's where my old thing comes in. You see them? Right here. So the way they made it, you have to bend it out of place. There we go. A hammer is always the answer. Need a better tool. You see what I'm talking about? Like these things?
Okay.
So they just stick out.
Yeah.
Oh, you have a quarter there.
Oh.
And you just need to like bend them in slightly, and this whole assembly.
And then snap down with those.
Yeah, everything else is just stationary. So this is the only thing holding it in place. That's one.
There you go. The left side.
So you have these things.
Sure.
And then the other part that I didn't show in my video is this thing. And you're like, okay, what's going on? So we have to take these 2 screws out, and then this mechanism slides all the way out. And this is the beauty about editing. Just cut all this stuff out. Huge, huh? Just to get enough clearance.
Oh,
And then these things. There you go.
yeah. There you go.
Old assembly.
New assembly?
New assembly. So this slides in first. And then we're gonna wedge these guys out.
You guys have the part number sticker on?
No, he tore mine off. Actually, I should probably take a picture of that.